Ava shows us how to make the dinosaur jigsaw puzzle and then magically make it disappear.
First of all, we're going to empty it out of the container. So now Ava's going to show us how to put together the dinosaur puzzle. And she's going to turn all the pieces upright so we can see all the letters. This is a great game because it has 26 pieces. Each one of them is lettered from A to the last letter, Z or Z, depending on which country you live in. And Ava's gonna piece it all together to show us the dinosaur.
This is a great game for kids to learn the alphabet.
Okay. Why don't we move the pieces up a little more? Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Okay, now let's start. So we start with the letter A.
We got the letter A.
Where's the letter A? There we go. Now we do the next letter, which is what? B, that's right.
Where's C?
And then the next letter is
C.
C.
Where is C?
There we go, there's C.
What comes after C?
What comes after C? Do you know? What comes after C is D.
Where's D?
Is that D there?
No.
That's on D? Maybe it's P?
Oh, fit.
There we go, that's D. It fits. So what's after D?
I don't know.
E.
Where E?
Let's see where E is.
Then what
Very
comes
good.
after?
What comes after E is F.
What F?
Where is F? Very good, very good. What comes after F?
What comes after F?
G.
Well, G.
Do you see G anywhere?
No.
Well, does that look like G? That's right. Very good, very good. Let's show all the letters. Move all these up a little bit so everybody can see. Okay, what comes after G?
I don't know.
I think it's H, right? Where is H? Does anybody see where H is?
Where's A?
Is that H?
Not fit.
Oh, we should move these pieces out of the way. Nope, the other way around, the other way. Very good.
Not fit.
Okay, what comes after H?
I don't know.
I.
Where's I?
Very good.
What comes after I?
J.
Where's J?
J is there. Very good.
Then where's J?
Here, let's move everything up a little bit so everybody can see.
What comes after J?
What comes after J? K. Do you see where K is? Very good, very good. What comes after K?
I don't know.
L.
Where's L?
L is there. What comes after L?
What comes after L?
That's right, that's right. M. Very good, Ava, very good.
Comes after.
What comes out after M? N. Where is N? Where is N? Is that N over there? That's right. That's right. Very good, excellent.
What comes after?
What comes after N? O. Is that O? Very good, very good.
What comes after?
What comes after O? Is it P? Do you see P anywhere? Is that P there?
Right here?
Yeah. Is that P? You have to turn around, right? To see the letter P. That's right. Let's see this letter. Okay. Okay, what comes after P? Oh, very good. You already know. Very good. It's Q. Very good.
Q-R-S.
So you know what comes after Q. You just said it.
R?
Yeah, you just said it.
Where's
Where is R? Oh, very good. Very good.
now?
You also said what comes after R. You said Q, R, S. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. And then what comes after S? T. Okay. What comes after T? U, right? Very good. Very good. What comes after U? V. Very good. And after V? No. W, that's right. Oh, you're getting good. You're getting good. Well, let's see. Let's show the W. Okay, now put it in so people can see. Okay. Oh, very good. X. Oh, you're finishing off very quickly. Y. And the last letter is, depending on which country you are in, it's Z for the Americans, Z for the Canadians, Australians, and the Brits. Okay, but this looks like one of the biggest dinosaurs that ever lived. Do you know the name?
T-Rex?
That's the T-Rex. The T-Rex has got two big legs that eats these kinds of dinosaurs. But what's the name of this kind of dinosaur?
I don't know.
The Titanosaurus.
How come they don't smile like this?
You don't know. Maybe they do. Maybe they do have a smile on their face. Maybe they're happy because they get to eat so much and become so big.
They need help with doing this.
Oh, you're gonna try and make it stand up?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Very good, Eva. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It stands up. It stands up.
And I'm going to put the blanket over and I'm going to show you guys a magic trick.
What is the magic trick you're going to show us?
I want to make the dinosaur disappear.
Very good. Okay, let's see you do it.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, make this dinosaur disappear.
Oh my god, the dinosaurs disappeared. Oh my god, look, the dinosaurs disappeared. Wow, Ava, you made the dinosaur disappear. You're a magician.
If you like our videos, subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a big thumbs up, and we'll subscribe to our videos and give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!